Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open a specific web page or set of web pages in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. In case you love some of the websites and you want to open whenever you will open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 or 10 PC and you want that web pages should automatically load with the startup of the Chrome browser, then first click on the Chrome desktop shortcut or using any other method. Open Chrome browser on your PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, select this one settings option. In Chrome settings, in the left sidebar, select this one option on a startup. On the right sidebar, select this one option, open a specific page or set of pages. Then click on this one, add a new page link, and then type your website address. Click on the add button to add more web pages. Click on this one, add a new page again, and type your website address, and then click on this one, add button. Now close the browser. Whenever you will open the Chrome browser, those websites that you have added to a startup list, it will be automatically loaded on your Windows or 10 PC.